If you're looking to get your South Carolina asphalt paving and contractor license, passing the trade exam is one of the final steps standing between you and legally operating in the state. The exam is technical, book heavy, and very detail oriented. And here's the good news: if you understand how the exam is structured, know which books matter, and prepare the right way, this is an exam you can pass in your first try. In this video, I'm going to break down what the South Carolina asphalt paving license allows you to do, how the exam is structured, the exact reference books used in the exam, key topics you'll be tested on, and proven strategies to pass on your first attempt. So let's get started. Welcome to One Exam Prep's Next Level Contractor channel, America's #1 contractor licensing test prep company. If you're preparing for the South Carolina contractor exam, then stay tuned because I'll be giving you a special discount code on all South Carolina exam prep materials towards the end of this short video. The asphalt paving contractor license in South Carolina allows you to legally perform asphalt paving and resurfacing, roadway and parking lot paving, base preparation and grading, asphalt repair, patching and maintenance, and public and private paving projects. This license is required for contractors performing asphalt paving work above the state's licensing threshold and ensures you understand materials, methods, safety, and state-specific specifications. Here's what you need to know about the exam. It is open book, administered by PSI, and questions are pulled directly from the approved reference books. Time management and book navigation are critical. The exam focuses on real-world paving knowledge, not memorization. Most contractors who fail do not do so because the material is too hard, but because they don't know where to find the answers quickly. There are a total of 50 questions. You need 35 right answers in 3 hours. Questions are broken down as follows: compaction and stabilization, 9 questions; asphalt paving procedures, 9; asphalt properties and general uses, 10; asphalt emulsions, uses and applications, 8; and concrete, 8 questions for a total of 50 questions. There are the core books you must know inside and out for the South Carolina asphalt paving exam. You have the Construction Planning Equipment and Methods 10th edition. This book covers construction sequencing and planning, asphalt equipment and machinery, productivity, job efficiency and logistics, equipment selection and operation. Many questions focus on methods and best practices, not just definitions. Next book is the Contractor's Guide to Quality Concrete Construction 4th edition. Even though this is an asphalt license, this book is used for base and sub-base preparation, concrete-related paving components, quality control, and inspection standards. Expect questions tied to durability, tolerances, and job site quality. The next book is Excavation and Grading Handbook 2006. This is a very important book for the exam because it covers site preparation and earthwork, grading, methods and slope control, soil compaction, stabilization, and drainage considerations. A large portion of the exam ties directly into proper grading before paving begins. Next, you have the Standard Specifications for Highway Construction 2007, South Carolina specific. This is one of the most heavily tested references. It includes asphalt mix specifications, material requirements, testing and acceptance criteria, and state-approved construction standards. Many questions are verbatim from this book, so tabbing and highlighting are essential. And finally, the South Carolina 811 Excavator Manual. This book focuses on utility locating laws, excavation notification requirements, contractor responsibilities, and penalties for noncompliance. These are easy points if you know where to look, and easy misses if you ignore this book. So the key topics you're going to be tested on across these books will be asphalt paving methods and sequencing, equipment usage and productivity, site work, excavation and grading, compaction and base preparation, South Carolina highway specifications, material testing and quality control, and safety and excavation notification requirements. This exam is about doing the job correctly and safely, not just passing a test. The biggest mistake is thinking it's open book and I'll just look everything up. That doesn't work. You will not have the time to search blindly. Passing contractors know which books the answer is in, know where in the book to look, and practice under time conditions. Start studying right away as soon as you get those books. Focus on code navigation, not memorization. Treat this like a professional licensing exam because it is. Contractors who pass consistently do the following. They use highlighted and tabbed reference books, take multiple practice exams, and learn keyword recognition and questions. Practice time lookups and focus heavily on the South Carolina Highway Specifications and Grading Handbook. This exam rewards preparation and organization, not guessing. No two contractors study the same way. That's why One Exam Prep offers multiple exam prep options designed to fit everything: learning style, schedule, and budget. Whether you want quick practice or complete done-for-you solution, here's how to choose the right package. You've got the online course, which is a self-study course that walks you through every exam topic step by step on demand. You have the book set, which includes the official reference materials approved for the exam. The highlight and tab book set. This is a game changer because your books arrive professionally highlighted and tabbed so you can find the answers fast under exam pressure. You have the book rental. If you want to save money, book rental gives you temporary access to the required exam books without full purchase price. Ultimate package. The ultimate package combines practice questions, online course, virtual course, highlighted and tabbed books, and application service into one powerful system. This is our most popular option because it covers content, strategy, and materials in one place. And finally, the one package is the all-in-one, done-for-you solution. It includes everything we just talked about: study materials, exam strategy, guidance, including setting up your business, and full support from start to finish. No matter where you are starting from, One Exam Prep has a path that's right for you. Choose the package that matches your experience, timeline, and goals, and let's get you licensed. Use code SC10AP at checkout for 10% off any of these products. The South Carolina Asphalt Paving Contractor License exam is very manageable when you prepare the right way. If you respect the exam, learn your books, and practice navigating them efficiently, you can pass on your first attempt and move forward confidently with your paving business. For South Carolina Contractor Exam Prep practice questions, online courses, and highlight and tab books, visit oneexamprep.com. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more South Carolina contractor guides.